What? No. What are you talking about? Something like that.
Excuse me.
Wait.
That
Oh, wait,
boy. I am his mentor. So, Mr. Kenneth, where are we at? Financing? We have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simeon?
Do not...
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch!
Fucking homo, you're dead! Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
He tried to knife it. I'll cut your dick off if you call the administrator. Hey, you know what? I am the administrator. Get off my fit.
I still love him, though. Sort of. Well, the other day, I walked in on him, and he was jerking off over pictures of my friends.
Thank you, Coach.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro. Well, you're a great student. Now just loosen up those hips.
Hey, Simeon, I got a ride, man.
Now look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window.
Damn!
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Simeon.
See now, you've pissed me off.
You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it?